I smell cable videos in the air. I need to get to Green Cove right now. Yeah. I managed to scrape all that mud off of the car. I had to get underneath it with a pressure washer to get it out from underneath. But you can see the mud's gone, the rain's gone, and nice, beautiful blue skies. Well, good morning, interwebs. As you can see, the sun is finally back. The rain is finally gone. It's going to be nice, back to normal weather again. The mud's dried up. I've got a cold rip it. Life's good. We can finally get back to work. On the agenda for this week, I believe, is insulation, drywall, and I think the electricians are coming to just type a few little odds and ends. And I'll be here to film it all for you. So stick around and be good. Okay, so the plumber's back. And the insulators are here.
We're actually going to put these pieces together in there and get them set. So you see your brush nickel, we're going to set it inside there.
there you have it, interwebs. I have insulation. These guys, pretty quick, efficient work. Got it knocked out, and they were fun. A couple of jokers. Had a real good time with them. But yeah, the house is so much quieter now. And with all the soffits being filled in, it's also so much darker. All that extra sunlight's not coming in. It's starting to look more and more like a real house. So, yeah. Can't wait to see the next step. Be seeing you.
Day 2.
Well, greetings, interwebs. I'm heading back out to the house. I'm gonna clean up the cable up in the attic a little bit, get it ready for sheetrock and such as that. Basically, I just want to bundle it all up, get the white video cable separated out from the blue network cable, get it hung up in the rafters, out of the way, put it where it's going to go, kind of just make it neater and cleaner and out of the way for the sheetrock and insulation personnel. And that'll get it ready for the next step once we get ready to hang the network rack and actually hook up cables. So don't worry, it's not a cable video. I know some people go kind of crazy about cable videos. This isn't one of them. So just you know, remain calm. We'll see you there. Okay, so remember how I got all these big cable bundles up here? Well, I was going to try and tie them up and hang them kind of like the duck. What are you doing here? Again? Haha! I knowed it. I knowed you was working on the cable today. Can I just watch? I'd love to see what's going on. You know what? Fine. Just go sit over there somewhere, but stay quiet, stay out of my way. I got work to do, okay? Okay, I'll go sit right over yonder, fella, and I'll stay out your way. Okay, thanks. Thanks. Hey, you know, feller, what if you was to, hey, what did I say about being quiet? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'll be quiet. I'll just. And thanks for turning me on to Rippets. These things rock, man. I love them. Carry on. Rippets rock. Now, let me get back to work. Like I said, I'm going to pull this cable out, separate out this white RG6 TV cable and this Cat5e network cable. I'm going to hang it all up high in the rafters, up above where the crap, I suddenly lost my whole train of thought. Where the network rack is going to go in the garage. The white cable will stay in the attic. It's not coming down. It'll all be up in splitters in the attic. It's good to go. It'll have one cable coming up from the Comcast box to it, and then one coming back down, of course, for, no, it won't. It'll have just one cable going up into the attic to hook to the splitters to then run all the lines going out to the different TV outlets in the different rooms. The network cable will be neatly bundled and drop down through like a grommet, like a big plastic white grommet in the ceiling. Come down in a nice neat bundle into the rack and then into the punch down. You'll see all that in a future video when we get actually the garage. I can't do any of this until the garage is finished. Then more cable. So, let's get to it. Okay. Now let's go relocate over there and figure out where to put the camera. See you in a minute. So here I go again on my own. This time, wire cutters and zip ties. With all this big bundle of cable here, this mess of cable. There's a cross board up top here. I'm going to put up and over so the cable will hang down. And then I can tie up the white cable. All the white cable will be attached to this. The splitters will be up here. Because right where I'm standing is where the attic ladder is going to be. Well, my cable ties will be right here. And then the network rack will be right here below me. So all the cables just come straight down through the ceiling into it. So this is the perfect spot. However, it's not the perfect spot for a camera, but I'm in an attic full of ductwork and boards and everything else, so I'm sorry you're going to look at the back of my head a lot. Not really a lot I can do about that. Okay. Whew. There you have it. Cable's hung, is wound, separated, squared away, ready to go. As soon as we get the garage finished, I'll be able to then punch it down, run it into the network box, get all this TV cable squared away, and that'll be an interesting video because then you'll get to see all my actual networking stuff. How to do punch downs, why I did the cable the way I did the cable, why it's all numbered, how it's, you know, etc., etc. So, yeah, I hope you look forward to that one. Thanks for watching. Okay, so you see the boards in the attic. This board, that's where the splitters, the cable splitters will be mounted, and all the cable will collect up there nice and neat on splitters. That blue cable will come down the back side of the board and come through the ceiling. You see that electrical outlet? This square here, this is where the network rack is going to go. So it'll just come through the ceiling just above it, right to there. So I got blue line on the back, white line on the front, and then, of course, this is where the ladder will go in this big rectangle. So I'll have access to everything right there. And coming down into there. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, brother, you?
All right, better than I deserve. Oh. Oh man, he done finished up and everything. Can't believe he done took off without me. Wow. I didn't know cable videos get so dang boring, but wow. I think the word I'm looking for here is monotonous. I need to go to the Dollar Tree and get some more rivets. Well, I guess that's that. Back to the farm.